Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting the essentials ready. Arrange the card spread and confirm who shuffles and reads. Once done, position yourself for quick reach and scan. This improves reaction time. Make sure to memorize caller cadence and any variant rules so you react to cues rather than guess. Practice one warm-up round to align with signals and timing. This reduces errors and helps you focus on recognition instead of logistics. Start the first real round when everyone is synced and the reader is ready. Once play is underway, focus on pattern recognition and deliberate grabbing technique. You should use peripheral vision to monitor multiple cards at once while targeting a specific match. This reduces wasted movement. Make sure to keep a low, stable hand so you can strike accurately without knocking other cards. This preserves your options. When you identify a match, commit decisively. Hesitation costs points. Also adapt strategy based on opponents. Press when they falter, conserve energy when they dominate a sequence. At the end of a round, tally your collected cards and record scores right away to avoid confusion later. Make sure to confirm any disputed captures by replaying the last few seconds or using the agreed rulebook. This keeps fairness and avoids escalating arguments. If a misdeal or rule error occurs, stop play, correct the deal, and resume from the last undisputed state. Do not invent fixes on the spot. One troubleshooting tip: if timing or calls are inconsistent, enforce a fixed reader.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.